Welcome everybody, and thank you for watching another video of my weekly forex forecast. First, I want to start off by saying sorry about last week. I did not upload a video for you last week. It's been a very hectic week on my side. Things have just been crazy. We've been very busy, me and my girl. Things are happening, so yeah, we've been very busy. Sorry about that. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Errol Muller. I'm a forex trader, professional forex trader and internet marketer. These videos that I do, these weekly forex forecast videos that I do, is all about what's coming up in the week, what's going to happen in the week of the market. So my idea or my reason for sharing these videos is just for all of you guys who are harmonic traders and advanced pattern traders. I want to share ideas with you so that you can have a look at it and follow me, so I think let's get started. Let me start sharing a few ideas with you, and then before you go, firstly, for those of you who are my loyal subscribers and who like my videos, I want to thank all of you. I really do appreciate that. And then secondly, I want you guys to watch this video right till the end. I will be sharing something special for you. I actually want to tell you something that I'm busy with, and let's take it from there. Let's start with the first chart. Let's do a 50%, let's do 100% zoom. Just want to put myself at the bottom right, in the bottom right corner. Great. So, firstly, we've got Euro CHF, which will be a bat pattern. For those of you guys who don't know what a bat pattern looks like, it looks something like this. Just drawing my Fibonacci's here. X to, yes, it was here, X to A leg, A to B leg, B to C leg, and then the C to D leg. So, for those of you who don't know, this is actually a valid bat pattern according to my Fibonacci ratios, according to my trade plan. As soon as that D leg hits the 886% retracement, I will get involved in this bat pattern, which will be a bullish bat pattern, and I'll get involved in it, and I'll be long. So what I want to do is, we've got another pattern set up here, which will be on this pattern is on the H4, which is a 4-hour chart. So I'm going to drop down one time frame, and I'm going to show you guys another pattern which I'm setting up, and that's called the Gartley pattern. For those of you who don't know, and for those of you who do know, good. And for those of you guys who are actually involved in it, well done. Good. Let's go. Let's drop down the time frame, which is the 1 hour to the 1 hour time frame. For those of you who are following me, you will see in a lot of my videos that it's very hot this side, and I do sweat a lot. I actually sweat very quickly. So yeah, next we've got a Gartley pattern here, which will look something like this. We will get long. It's also a bullish Gartley pattern, so we will get long at that 127% extension of the B to A leg. So it will look something like this: X to A, A to B, B to C, C to D, completing round bit here. Now this pattern will also give us a very nice risk reward, seeing that it's a very deep Gartley pattern, and the D leg, if the D leg completes just before the X leg, which is at that 1.27% extension, this will be an awesome trading opportunity, giving us a nice risk reward and a nice profit. Let's quickly do this. Let's see if I want to show you the risk reward that we will be looking at. So if this is a long position, so if we had to get long here, our risk would look something like, just want to have a look at something here, plus minus more or less. Okay, so from here, we will be looking at a risk plus minus more or less something like that, and the reward like that. So this, if you can see here, risk reward ratio 1.86. meaning that our risk or our reward is much greater, is 1.8 of our reward. If I can do it for you guys like this, if I draw it in, this would be my potential risk. So if I move this line up, which would give us 1, which is a 1-to-1, and then basically a 0.86. That's what it tells us. If you hover over it, that's what's giving us that 1.86% retracement. Okay. I will actually share a few things on this Gartley pattern, not this one, on the last one that I'm about to share with you. What the results of this Gartley pattern for pairs that I've traded, things that I've back tested, and according to my trade plan, I will share the results with you now of how profitable this pattern actually is. And it's not the most profitable one out there. Like I said, I trade the Cypher, BAT and Gartley pattern. Now for me, the most profitable one's the BAT pattern, and then Cypher and Gartley is actually a little better than the Gartley, but it's in the same range. But then again, it's very good. It's awesome patterns to trade. That's why I love advanced pattern trading. It's easy. It's just, I love it. It's lekker for me. Okay, next we've got the Euro GBP. Let's go to Euro GBP, of which we've got on the H4, we've got a Cypher pattern. I'm quickly going to share with you. Now these are all patterns that might, set up within in the week to come. I'm not saying it's going to complete. I'm just saying you can have a look at it. That's why my video is called Weekly Forex Forecast, and I want to share ideas. Okay, so yeah, I'm just going to see something. We actually had a Cypher pattern that completed here. Yeah, which I'm already short. I got short in the Cypher pattern, which is a very sharper pattern. It looks something like this. Let me move my chart here a little bit. Do this. So I've had to draw it in for you. X to A leg, A to B, B to C, C to D, completed at the 0.786%, 0.786%, and that's what the Cypher pattern looks like. Those of you who don't know, same as the Gartley, we're looking at. We got short at the delay completion, but what you want to do is when you're drawing your Fibonacci, is what I do is I draw it for the complete leg of the move from the C to D point, but the complete move of the leg, which will look something like this to the highest high. So then my targets one will be a 382%, and target 2 will be a 618%. Stops just above the X leg, which will be somewhere around about there, and that's it. That's what the Cypher pattern looks like. Next, we've got USD CHF, H1 BAT. Let's drop down to the 1 hour time frame. I think this one still is a long way. Oh no, it's a very small BAT pattern. It's busy setting up here. Let me do this for you. Just zoom in a little bit. So if I had to draw this in for you, it looks something like this. Come on. Let's go. X to A leg, A to B, B to C leg, C to D, completing at the 886% Fibonacci retracement, for those of you who don't know, and looking at the same targets, which will be 382% for targets 1, 618 for targets 2, and stops plus minus more or less here, just below the X leg for stops, which will give us a very nice risk reward as well. Okay, that was USD CHF, as you guys can see, and that was the 1 hour time frame. Next we've got GBP USD. Just minimize here. GBP USD was the H4 for our chart, and we are looking at a, let's quickly think you might also see, okay, yeah, start like this. Okay, we are looking at a cipher pattern, a bearish cipher pattern, and I'll quickly draw it in for you. X to A, A to B, B to C, C to D, completing at the 786%. Stops above X, same as the other patterns, targets 1, 382, targets to 618%. Next we've got CHF JPY. Let's go, let me just minimize myself a little bit here. I'll increase myself now. What was it? CHF JPY. Yeah, at the bottom. Okay, now I can increase myself again, 100%. Okay, and here we're looking at a Gartley pattern. 1 hour Gartley pattern. This Gartley pattern actually, I'm also involved in this one. It already completed, but for those of you who still want to get long and maybe wait for like a double top or something like that, then you've got another reason to enter. And this Gartley pattern looks, this bearish Gartley pattern looks something like this. A to B, B to C, C to D, completing at the 127% Fibonacci extension level. Okay, so I think we managed, yeah, I think my stop roll to break even. I think we managed the target 1. Let's quickly do this. Yes, we did the target 1, which is here, right at the 382%. So what happens is my stops then roll to break even if I got long. So it doesn't matter what the market do. The market continues to roll over in a bearish direction, then good for me. I actually take profits, take targets 1 into profits, which is good. And if not, then the market decides to rally up again in a bullish direction, then I get stopped out for break even. It's not a problem. So it was target 1 was hit, and then target 2 we are looking at a 618%. So hopefully this one will complete, which will be awesome. So for those of you who are not long yet, you can still look for something like this. Market went up, and we put in an outside return, and we put in a new structure high, outside return. Where do we pull back to? Previous structure support now becomes resistance. Previous structure resistance now becomes support. So for those of you who are not involved yet, you can look for something like a double top, which will look like this. If the market managed to put in another candle, but does not close above the previous high here, then you can look to get short as well. And then hoping for the markets to reach target 1 and 2s for a nice profit. So then again, guys, like I said, I'm going to share something with you on the Gartley pattern. The Gartley pattern is actually a very profitable pattern for me. Like I said, it's not the best one. Out of all of them, my best one is the bat pattern, then cipher pattern, then Gartley pattern. But between the Gartley and the cipher, they are very close to one another. So yeah. On my backtesting sheet, which I will share with you guys in the future videos, I checked out on certain pairs. Like I said, all these ideas that I share with you is only for those of you who trade these pairs that I share with you. I've got a certain amount of pairs that I trade. I've got certain pairs that I trade because those are the pair. All these pairs on your right hand side. Yeah, all these. Here is the EuroCAD. All these ones. I think in total it's 18 or 19 pairs. Let me increase myself here. All those pairs are actually pairs that I've backtested. Now, not all of them are as profitable as the other ones are, and I've chosen the best ones according to my ratios, my trade plan, my rules. But what I can tell you, with all my backtesting that I've done with my pairs, the Gartley pattern for me, now listen here, this is the Gartley pattern. The Gartley pattern for me is between 60 and 70% profitable, meaning that 6 out of 10 trades is profitable, and usually these patterns end up with a risk reward of 1.5 to 2 to 1 risk reward. So if you take 10 trades, you lose 4 of them, 6 of them are profitable, and you're looking at a risk reward of at least 1.5, then that will give you 6 winning trades. Now if you had to put in that 0.5, which will give you 2 to 2, another 3 basically winners, if you had to work on a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio, then that would give you at least another 3 winners, which will give you in total 9 winnings out of 10 trades, if you had to work it out like that. But still, like I said, 6 out of 10 trades, that's better than what most traders out there do. It's, how can I actually say it to you guys? It's very good. It's very good. If your risk reward's good, then the pips are good and the money's good. That's what you want. That's why you're in this game. You want to make money. You want to enjoy life. You maybe want the time freedom. You maybe want to spend more time with your family. You don't have to sit in front of the charts all day. Believe me, I've been there. I've done that. You don't have to do it anymore. As soon as you know what works, what doesn't work, things like that. Look, it takes me up to an hour, maximum an hour in the mornings, to set up all my trades, put in my pending orders, and then from there I can do what I want. So I'll put it on, I'll manage my trades in the morning, have a look at what's on my radar for the day, set up all the things, and then usually around about 12 o'clock in the afternoon, 1 o'clock, and then I will manage my trades, just look at them, see which one, have a look at which ones have hit target 1, Z target 1, target 2, things like that. Then I'll just manage my trades, which will take me like 15 minutes, and then in the night, around about 7, 8 o'clock at night, I will have a look at my charts again, and which will take me another 15 minutes, and that's it. So out of my whole day, just trading, what's it? Hour and 30 minutes. So the rest of your day, do what you want. Spend time with your kids, spend time with your wife. I don't know what you want to do. Do you want to go play golf like everybody else? I don't know what people see in golf, but I don't like golf. It's not for me. I used to do kickboxing for 2.5 years. I was very busy. This last 2 years, I've been out of it now for 2 years, almost 3 years now. I've been very busy, but I'm looking at getting back and start trading next year again, around about next year February, depends on how things go. I've been very busy. For those of you who don't know, my name is Errol Muller. I'm a professional forex trader and internet marketer, like I mentioned, so it's keeping me very busy. The forex trading, not as much anymore. Like I said, I want to do these videos for you guys. I would really like you to subscribe to my channel, like my videos. I want to get to know you. I want you to get to know me. I'm doing this for you guys. That's the reason I do it. I want to see you become successful. That's why I'm doing all these videos. And I'm also, like I said, I'm also an internet marketer, and that takes up a lot of my time. And what else? Oh, that's what I wanted to. Now, seeing that we're almost at the end of this video, that's what I wanted to tell you guys. That's why I asked you to stay until right at the end of this video. What I'm busy with is I'm setting up a website which will basically consist of 2 things. One, which will be learn forex trading, and the other one, which will consist of how to do internet marketing. Now, both of these things, both business opportunities, will be on one website. And I've been busy with videos, doing videos for you. As soon as I release it, I will definitely do a video. Listen guys, everything is up and running. You can go have a look at my website. But I am very busy with that. So what I want to do is, I'm basically creating a website to give you 2 business opportunities, of which one is forex trading and the other one is internet marketing. For those of you who want to do both, great, that's what I'm doing. For those of you who only want to do forex trading, that's why you're watching these videos, great. I will, in those videos, I'll show you the Fibonacci ratios that I use, how to set them up, depending on what charting software you use, or what platform you use to trade on. I will show you how to do that, and then I will show you how all these patterns that I trade, Gartley, cipher, bat pattern, things like trend continuation, double tops, double bottoms, things like that. What I use for entries, what I use for entries, and what I use for stops to determine where my stops must go. My target 1, target 2s, everything that I know, I will share with you in those videos. I will share with you all the things that I've back tested. The currency pairs that I trade, I will share with you that. I will share, like I said, all of the currency pairs that I back tested, which are these ones on the right hand side, all of those, and which ones was the most profitable for me, with the percentages. All of that I will actually show you on a spreadsheet that I'm busy with. Not me, I've actually got somebody who's doing it for me, which I'm paying to do it for me. So as soon as that's completed and ready, that will also go on my website, and everything will be ready for you to go have a look at and to start using. So the spreadsheet will also be there. All you do is you basically enter your data, and the spreadsheet will do all the rest of it for you. It will do all the when to jump a lot size, when to increase a lot size, when to decrease your lot size. You can have a look at your drawdown depending on what you want to trade. It will actually calculate the drawdown automatically for you. It will calculate all the percentages for you. What percentage are profitable, what percentage is the pattern or whatever system you're using, losses, what percentage is the draws, things like that. So that's very awesome. That's a cool thing to have. Believe me, it works. It's nice to have. And then on the internet marketing side, there's a lot more to the forex trading side. I don't want to take too long in this video, but there's a lot more to it. And then on the internet marketing side, I'm going to share exactly with you guys how I go about making my videos. I'm still improving. There's a lot of things that I'm still learning, applying, and as I'm learning and as I'm applying these things, I will also share that on my website for you to have a look at, for you to do exactly the same. I'll show you how to create YouTube videos, how to get them to rank on YouTube for other people to see, how to start building your trading community and things like that. And not just that, is how to get traffic to your website, to your YouTube channels, to whatever you want to promote out there. I don't know if you want to be an affiliate, you want to promote somebody else's product. I will show you how to get traffic to that product. If you do decide to have a look at my website and you decide to become part of what I'm doing, and you like what I'm doing and want to become part of what I'm doing, and you want to promote that, then you can also promote that. You're going to make the money out of it. I will explain everything to you guys as soon as I release it. I will share. So what I want you to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my videos, please comment, share the videos with everybody out there. If there's anybody else that are in your family, one of your friends, somebody you know that likes forex trading or who's interested in forex trading but they don't know where to start, refer them to my YouTube channel. Let them watch my videos, and as soon as I launch my website and they subscribe, I will do a video for you stating that I've launched my website. You can have a look at it and discover for yourself what do you want to do. Do you want to do forex trading or do you want to do internet marketing? Of which both of the two business opportunities are great. But I will explain everything in my launching video. When I launch all my things, I will most definitely explain it to you. Okay, so once again guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Subscribe, like, share this video. For those of you who are also my loyal subscribers, I thank you very much. For those of you who do watch my videos, I also thank you very much. And for those of you who like my videos, I also thank you very much. And that's it. Once again, thank you for watching another video of my weekly Forex forecast, and I wish you all the success in the world. Best of luck out there, and like I always say, smash the markets. Thanks guys.